For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to share live location on WhatsApp. WhatsApp already rolled out an option to share your current location with other users, but that is a static, one-time share. But there is one more feature called live location sharing. Here's everything you need to know. Open WhatsApp, select the contact, then tap on attach icon, then select location. Now you see the option to share live location. Click on it and the default timer is set to 1 hour. But you can also choose between 15 minutes and 8 hours, and you can have the option to add comment. Then once set and done, live location will pop up on the recipient chat. Once the user click on the view live location, then they can see the current location. And you can also have the option to stop sharing. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.